Hello brave ones, in this video I will teach you how to revive a dead Instagram account. And I'm sure you have seen the accounts with frozen engagement, little to no home reach and negative growth. Absolutely no account is saved from dying on Instagram, so even if your account is healthy right now, make sure you like this video and you watch it to the end in order to gain the knowledge on how to revive an Instagram account. The first step in reviving an Instagram account is to find out how exactly did it end up dying. These are the most common cases of Instagram account death: untargeted ads, bot followers, engagement groups, posting inconsistency, breach of Instagram guidelines, failing to adapt to customer needs, sudden change in your content, and promoting your products too frequently. This first step is extremely important because after knowing what killed your account, we will know how to revive it. For example, if you used to buy followers, the first step in reviving your Instagram account would be to start removing those bot and fake followers. Whilst on the other hand, if your Instagram account died due to posting inconsistency, the first step would be to start engaging with your audience once again and make sure you create a consistent content schedule. Moving onwards to step 2 in the revival process, make sure you like these videos and your account will immediately be revived. I'm joking, of course, or am I? There's only one way to find out. Jokes aside, the second step is actually finding out when your account actually died. By doing so, you can better identify if you should actually revive it or if you should create a new account. A general rule of thumb is the longer that an account has been dead, the harder it is to revive it. That's why in some cases it is better off if you just create a new account, because that will save you time and resources which you can use to grow it faster than actually trying to revive your old account. Which leads us to step number 3, making the decision how we should proceed forwards. Should we try to revive the account or should we try to create a new one? For that purpose, I have created this table. If 80% of your audience is fake, meaning bot followers, engagement groups, mother-child method, etc., or you have breached the community guidelines of Instagram, it is better to create a new account. But if your account hasn't used any forbidden methods and it has died due to heavy promotion, let's say, or inconsistent posting, then you can try reviving it. If you decided to revive your Instagram account, here are the steps that I want you to take. Start cleaning your Instagram followers, meaning ghost followers, spam accounts, and accounts which haven't been around for a long time. This is really important because over time your Instagram account has been gaining followers which might not be consistent with your strategy right now, or might not even be using Instagram right now in the first place. That's why cleaning your follower base and making sure that you give yourself a healthy and nice start is super important, especially if you used to buy followers, etc. The next step is creating a content bank. I want you guys to create posts and stories for at least 2 weeks. That will give you enough time when you actually start the process of reviving your account to post without worrying too much about the content. That way you can focus all of your energy into engaging with your community. Also, this is super helpful for people who have 9-to-5 jobs or other side hustles, whilst at the same time they are trying to build an Instagram presence. Why? Because having a content bank and creating content in advance reduces your stress and helps you be way more effective. The next step is start interacting with your audience. 7 days before you make your first post, I recommend you to start engaging with your already existing community and start posting stories. The easiest way is to do a story poll inside of Instagram, gather some entries, and then start DMing these people, start interacting with their feeds, because if these people have seen your stories, then they most likely still remember who you are, or at least are interested enough to learn more. And by engaging with them, by piquing their interest even more, you increase your chances of them engaging with your content when you start posting it. And the final step in your revival process is to start creating and posting content consistently. Sooner or later, Instagram will pick up that you have returned to your Instagram page. And by posting consistently and having determination, Instagram will start promoting your content to new users again, and you will have successfully revive your Instagram account. Instagram accounts aren't built nor revived easily. If you need help dominating your Instagram presence, make sure you check these 2 videos out and subscribe to this channel, as I will be making a lot more educational content on how to dominate social media.